Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you are doing really well. Happy Monday 16th to you all. Happy March. It is day 29 of the chilies. So let's go have a little look and see how they're doing today. See the ones that have been up potted from yesterday and have a look at the ones that are due to be up potted in the next day or two. I hope you're doing awesome. I hope you're having a great day and a great start to the week. Let's get this rocking. Ain't that right, Miss Lucy? Okay, I have just grabbed all the plants from upstairs and brought them down. So I'm just going to sort them out into each different type so we can have a little look through and see how each type is coming along. Other than that, I hope you're having a wonderful day, a wonderful Monday, and a great week so far. Let's do this. Here we have the Zimbabwe Black. Just the one. Those seed leaves are crazy at the bottom there. And as you can see, there's a little bit of a root system starting to come through. Here is the sweet banana. Leaves are looking great. And with the root system, a little bit there. And a little bit there. Here are the habaneros, just the two. Bit slow starters, but they're coming along great. Not much going on in the roots at the moment. All in good time. Here we have the Carolina Reapers. 3 of these and they're all in different stages. It's coming along, we've still got a seed on there. That's our best performer and looking great. And here's our third, looking good too. Here are the Armageddons. 3 of these I believe, and in different cups and in different stages. This was up potted yesterday. This one's looking great in the cup. And this one's a little bit slower. Here we get some roots here. Wonderful. Apologies, we have a 4th Armageddon that was up potted yesterday. Looking great. So 4 in total. So here we have the Kashmiri Merch. We've got 6 of these. 3 of them have been up potted and they're looking great. This one we need to bend to the light a little bit more. Same with this one. And then there's one in the cup. And then 2 more. Roots go, oh wow, look at that. Just hitting the bottom there. These by far have been the best growers so far for sure. Kashmiri Merch. Ghost peppers. The Butjalokia. There's one there. Second there. And that's probably the most productive on the third. All 3 are looking great. Looking forward to seeing the peppers they produce. Here are the black jalapenos. Both quite small, but they're doing alright. They're coming along. Didn't think this one was going to survive, but yeah, they're doing alright. Here are the jalapenos. One in the cup, and one got up potted yesterday. Some nice roots coming through. Lovely. Next up we have the Tabasco. I've got 3 of these, all in cups, and all seem to be doing okay. Not much roots on them at the moment, but they're coming along. One step at a time. Here we have the Bueno Mulata. 3 of these. Looking great. Beautiful. Next up we have the Dreamcatcher. We've got 5 of these, all in different sizes, but all in the cups for now. beautiful leaves. These are going to be beautiful plants. Next up is the poblanos, both in cups, both at different sizes. I've just given them a little drop of water because they were quite dry, but they're looking all right. Here we have the Scotch Bonnet MOAs, 5 of these. First one's here in the container, and then the 4 are in the cups. Looking great though. Let's look at the roots on this one. Nothing just yet. Are the cayennes. We've got 4 in containers, and they're coming along great. We need to straighten this one up, he's been against the light. And then 2 in the cups, also doing fantastic. Not much root system on the cups at the moment. Coming along though, all 6 are looking good. Here are the Zebrange. We've got 4 of them in the cups, and they're all coming along really well. They're a bit leggy to start with, but they're coming along nicely. Here are the Sugar Rush Peach Stripies. We've got 4 of them. They need tilting in the light, but they're coming along nicely. Lovely leaves. Just need turning to face the light properly. Here are the large orange Thai. We've got 3 of these, 1 in the container, doing great. And then 2 in the cups, also looking good. And here are the Padron. Both have been potted up, and they're looking great. Looking really good. Okay, everything's been put back, rotated, sorted out. Had a little check for everything. Everything's looking fine. Just gotta make sure everything's as it should be. I feel it is. We've only lost a couple of plants so far, but everything's looking good and strong. Giving the plants a little bit, some of them had a little bit of water on the top just to stop the tops from drying out completely. But I think everything's looking okay. Again, time will tell. This is the first time I'm trying this. So hopefully these all grow big and strong and give us loads of big bulk amounts of peppers. Here's hoping. We'll only find out in the future. I want to thank you all for joining us today. I hope you've had a wonderful Monday. I really do. I hope you had a great day and you're going to have a great week. Thank you all so much for joining us today. Your views, likes, shares, subscribes. It really means the world to me. It means the world to my little Lucy as well. The reason we're doing this is because we just want to share this passion that we've discovered, and hopefully it's going to be teaching people, how to, or if there's any mistakes I make, you'll be not be making those mistakes when you see these videos. So again, thank you all so much for joining us. It really means the world to me when I see the views and the different countries and the ages and demographics. It's so awesome to see that people are taking the time to listen to some middle-aged, miserable old so-and-so growing his chilies with his dog. Again, thank you all so much. It's nice to know that there are people out there that are willing to give a bit of care and a bit of time. It's a refreshing change for me, I can assure you. So thank you all so much again for joining us. Have a wonderful Monday and a great rest of your week. Make sure you take care of me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Take care of yourself, everybody. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all tomorrow.